Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate your Amaysim SIM card. The easiest way is through the app. So all you need to do is once you have your physical SIM card that arrived in the mail, you go to the Amaysim app and at the bottom right-hand corner you will see it says already have a SIM, activate now. So you select that option and then you can either scan your barcode from the SIM or you could do manual entry depending on what's easier for you. So if you scan it, then you would need to allow the camera to be able to scan it and make sure that the entire barcode is inside the box so that it can be detected. If you prefer to do manual entry, then you would just tap the manual entry option. If it's a physical SIM card or a digital eSIM, you have those options right there. So if it were a physical SIM, I would select activate physical SIM, and then I would put in the 13-digit SIM number and then press next and follow the in-app instructions. And once you finish the process, you will have completed your activation. Typically, your new SIM will be activated immediately, but your number could become active within a couple of hours of activation, depending on who you're switching from. This process could take up to 3 working days. Thank you for watching and like this video if you found it helpful. Bye!